In a study published in Nature Communications, researchers from Lewis Katz School of Medicine successfully eliminated HIV from the DNA of uninfected mice. Today we visited Uganda Virus Research Institute to talk to researchers whether this is a promising step towards a cure for the nearly 37 million people living with the virus. Amid a new wave of efforts to combat the HIV/AIDS epidemic, a team of researchers from America has successfully eliminated HIV from the mice by combining gene manipulation and antiretroviral treatment. The researchers were able to effectively eliminate the virus from 30% of infected mice. Current HIV treatment cannot eliminate the virus entirely, but it suppresses its replication, thereby effectively rendering it harmless as long as one continues taking the prescribed antiretroviral medication. However, the director of Uganda Virus Research Institute, Professor Pontiano Kalebu, says that people should not be excited that the cure is finally in sight.
It is exciting science, but not every exciting science you see in early development leads eventually into the desired goals.
Dr. Kalebu explains that unlike other research on finding an HIV cure, the techniques used in the study on the mice have incorporated new technology that might finally prove successful.
I think the additional thing that has, for me, excited me is to include this idea of using gene editing. Because we know that HIV gets integrated and it hides within our DNA inside our cells. It remains there for a long time. So the technology means that you can go inside the cell and cut out the HIV that has been integrated and you kill it. For HIV, I think it's a step that, because one of the challenges is how do you remove the virus that is inside the cell, because the drugs cannot reach there. It's very difficult. What people have been doing is to stimulate this virus. It comes out and the drug kills the virus or kills the cell that is infected.
However, he calls for cautious optimism because previous research with promising initial results has ended up not delivering as expected.
No, the drugs we have, vaccines we have, start in animals. It starts in the lab experiments, it moves into animals, especially small animals like mice. It moves to bigger animals, primates like monkeys, chimpanzees that are closer to humans before you move into humans. So this step is normal. It's normal for people working on vaccines and working in drugs. But what you see in mice may not work in chimpanzee. What you see in chimpanzee may not work in humans.
In 2018, an HIV vaccine concept got the go-ahead for further testing after a study found it induced an immune response in humans and monkeys. Its effectiveness in protecting humans from the virus is still unknown. A number of HIV vaccine trials have shown encouraging results. However, so far a vaccine would only offer partial protection and would need to be used in combination with other prevention and treatment options. Olivia Komgisha, NTV Tonight.